Hi folks, this is Tim with Narhi Auctions. Hey, here we got a real nice Case 830, 1963 we believe. We'll check the serial number on it to verify, but this tractor is parade ready right here. Go ahead, Don, and start that for us if you would. Okay. And this tractor is just wide front, got the remote outlets. Sharp tractor, nice paint restoration on it, runs good. Brand new 18-434 tires on the back. I think they said the tires made one trip across the Mackinac Bridge. Kind of got it so he could do the trip across the Mackinac. He's always been a Case tractor fan, so just showing you the different gears, and everything seems to be working fine on the tractor. The hour meter doesn't seem to be working, so he said it shows 3,100 hours on it. We're not sure how accurate that is. Showing you the Case hitch operating there. Go ahead and operate the PTO too, Don. Okay. Yep, that's good. Shut it off. Stop, nice. Okay, there you go, folks. 1963 Case 830. Power steering. Nice tractor.